Babble, B-A-B-B-L-E. Part of speech, verb/noun. Meaning, verb to talk rapidly and incoherently, often making meaningless or unintelligible sounds. Meaning, noun incoherent or meaningless speech or noise. Example sentence verb, the baby babbled happily, trying to mimic the sounds of speech. Example sentence noun, the room was filled with the babble of multiple conversations. Synonyms, jabber, prattle, chatter, gibber, ramble. Antonyms, verb articulate, enunciate, speak clearly. Bacchanal, B-A-C-C-H-A-N-A-L. Part of speech, noun/adjective. Meaning, noun a wild and drunken celebration, often associated with excessive indulgence in alcohol and revelry. Meaning, adjective relating to or characteristic of a bacchanal, involving wild and uninhibited revelry. Example sentence noun, the street festival turned into a bacchanal as people danced and drank throughout the night. Example sentence adjective, the partygoers engaged in bacchanal behavior, dancing and laughing without inhibition. Synonyms, noun revelry, carousal, orgy, debauchery, wild party. Antonyms, noun sobriety, restraint, moderation, solemnity. Bacchanalia, B-A-C-C-H-A-N-A-L-I-A. Part of speech, noun. Meaning, a wild and riotous celebration or party, often involving excessive drinking, revelry, and indulgence. Example sentence, the town's annual summer festival is known for its bacchanalia of music, dancing, and food. Synonyms, revelry, carousal, orgy, debauchery, wild party. Antonyms, sobriety, restraint, moderation, solemnity. Bacchanalian, B-A-C-C-H-A-N-A-L-I-A-N. Part of speech, adjective. Meaning, characterized by or relating to wild, drunken revelry or excessive indulgence in pleasure and entertainment. Example sentence,
Copyright
the atmosphere at the
Cogent
party was
Insights.
bacchanalian, with loud music, flowing alcohol, and uninhibited dancing. Synonyms, riotous, debauched, orgiastic, wild, bacchanal. Antonyms, restrained, controlled, moderate, subdued. Backslide, B-A-C-K-S-L-I-D-E. Part of speech, verb. Meaning, to revert or relapse into previous, undesirable behavior, beliefs, or habits after a period of improvement or progress. Example sentence, after a few months of sobriety, he unfortunately backslid and started drinking again. Synonyms, regress, relapse, revert, lapse, fall back. Antonyms, progress, advance, improve, recover, grow. Backwards, B-A-C-K-W-A-R-D-S. Part of speech, adverb. Meaning, in or toward the opposite direction from the usual or desired course, in reverse. Example sentence, he stumbled backwards and nearly fell down the stairs. Synonyms, rearward, in reverse, retrograde, in the opposite direction. Antonyms, forward, ahead, onward, in the right direction.
Copyright Cogent Insights.
Badger, B-A-D-G-E-R. Part of speech, verb/noun. Meaning, verb to pester, annoy, or harass persistently. Meaning, noun a small, burrowing mammal with a distinctive striped face, known for its digging abilities. Example sentence, the salesperson continued to badger the customer with phone calls and emails. Synonyms, verb pester, annoy, harass, bother, hound. Antonyms, verb leave alone, ignore, neglect. Badinage, B-A-D-I-N-A-G-E. Part of speech, noun. Meaning, playful and light-hearted banter or teasing conversation. Example sentence, the friends engaged in witty badinage, exchanging humorous remarks and jokes. Synonyms: banter, repartee, raillery, jesting, teasing. Antonyms: seriousness, solemnity, gravity, earnestness. Baffle, BAFFLE. Part of speech, verb/noun. Meaning, verb to confuse, puzzle, or perplex someone, making it difficult for them to understand or find a solution. Meaning, noun, a barrier or screen used to control or direct the flow of a fluid or sound. Example sentence: the complicated instructions baffled the students, leaving them unsure of what to do. Synonyms: verb puzzle, confuse, bewilder, mystify, confound. Antonyms: verb clarify, explain, illuminate, solve.
Copyright Cogent Insights.
Bait, BAIT. Part of speech, verb/noun. Meaning, verb to deliberately provoke, taunt, or entice someone in order to provoke a reaction or gain an advantage. Meaning, noun, food or a lure used to attract and entice animals or people, often as part of a trap or for fishing. Example sentence: he tried to bait his opponent into losing their temper during the debate. Synonyms: provoke, taunt, tease, incite, entice. Antonyms: discouragement, drag, repulsion. Baleful, BALEFUL. Part of speech, adjective. Meaning, threatening harm, menacing, or with an evil or sinister influence. Example sentence: the dark clouds and baleful lightning signaled an approaching storm. Synonyms: malevolent, ominous, sinister, threatening, evil. Antonyms: benign, harmless, friendly, auspicious, favorable. Balk, BALK. Part of speech, verb/noun. Meaning, verb to hesitate, refuse, or be unwilling to proceed or comply. Meaning, noun, an act of hesitation, refusal, or unwillingness to proceed. Example sentence: he balked at the idea of speaking in public and declined the offer. Synonyms: hesitate, refuse, resist, recoil, shy away. Antonyms: verb proceed, comply, agree, accept, embrace. Ballast, BALLAST. Part of speech, verb/noun. Meaning, verb to provide stability or balance to something. Meaning, noun, heavy material placed in the lower part of a ship or hot air balloon to stabilize it or give it stability. Example sentence: the ship's ballast consisted of large rocks to keep it steady in rough waters. Synonyms: noun, stabilizer, weight, counterbalance, support, foundation. Antonyms: noun, instability, imbalance, unsteadiness. Balm, BALM. Part of speech, noun. Meaning, a fragrant ointment or lotion used to soothe or heal the skin. Example sentence: she applied a soothing balm to her sunburned skin. Synonyms: salve, ointment, lotion, cream, emollient. Antonyms: irritant, abrasive, harsh, agitating, exacerbating. Balmy, BALMY. Part of speech, adjective. Meaning, pleasantly mild, soothing, or refreshing, often describing weather or a gentle atmosphere. Example sentence: they enjoyed a balmy evening sitting outside on the porch. Synonyms: mild, gentle, pleasant, temperate, soothing. Antonyms: harsh, cold, bitter, severe, inclement.